Hey, welcome to the show. If you like toys like the Rubik's Cube, I think you're going to like this pyramid. It's a lot of fun. It's really easy to move around. I am not very good at it, but it's kind of fun just to try to match up some of the colors. The sides turn really nice. You can see that right here. And you can turn this right here, and just all types of turning and movement. To me, it feels solid, like it's not going to break, but it's very flexible, very easy to move, and just kind of fun to try and match up a side, which I am not very good at. So, hey, got really close to that one. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. I'd sure appreciate it if you hit that likey button down below. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.